What if 1 billion black holes collided with each other? The universe would witness the most violent event since the Big Bang. Normally, when two black holes collide, they release enormous ripples in space-time called gravitational waves. Scientists have actually detected these waves here on Earth. But 1 billion black holes merging together? That collision would unleash more energy in seconds than trillions of galaxies produce over millions of years. Space itself would violently distort. Entire star systems nearby could be ripped apart. Light wouldn't behave normally anymore because gravity would become unimaginably powerful. And in the center of all that chaos, a single, ultra-massive black hole would likely form, so huge that its event horizon could become larger than our entire solar system. But here's the terrifying part. If something this massive existed nearby, Earth wouldn't explode. We would simply disappear into darkness before even realizing what happened.